Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics that actually matter. Both Xbox and PC must share the same local network so discovery works. Once done, open the Xbox app on Windows and sign in with the same Microsoft account used on the console. This links devices. Next, connect your controller to the PC using USB-C, Bluetooth pairing, or the Xbox wireless adapter so input is ready. These steps establish presence and control, which prevents confusion later when you attempt streaming or remote play. Now you make the devices see each other. On the Xbox, enable remote features and set power mode to instant on so the console can wake remotely. In the Xbox app on PC, go to the console tab and choose Add a console or connect. The app will scan your LAN and prompt for a PIN only if needed. Make sure both devices stay on the same subnet. If scanning fails, verify firewall or router isolation is off. These detailed checks let streaming and file handshake proceed. Finally, start your session by selecting Stream or Remote Play in the Xbox app and click Play. The console screens should appear on your PC within seconds. If performance matters, adjust streaming quality settings in the app. Lower bitrate reduces lag on weaker networks. Higher bitrate improves visuals on fast LANs. If it fails, reboot your router, confirm both devices are on the same network, and temporarily disable VPNs or firewall rules. This single troubleshooting tip solves most connectivity issues and gets you back to gaming quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.